Diversity is important in business, and fostering an inclusive workplace where everyone feels seen, heard, and belongs is critical to long term success and relevance in the communities we hope to mirror and serve. That's why it's so important that leaders learn how to be self aware and know themselves and their own dimensions of diversity that they could be bringing into the workplace. In our workshop on how to focus on self awareness to foster more inclusion, we focus on three key things. One, self awareness. That's the starting point to any leadership journey. And we overestimate our ability to be self aware. And sometimes we need tools, we need information to help guide that journey. So we use a product called DISC. It's really helpful with 4 main styles, but of course there's more complexities to our identities, but it's how we communicate, how we show up, how we prioritize things, what motivates us, what stresses us out. Once we have a conversation about what we bring to the inclusion table, then we can unpack how we flex to foster inclusion with others that are different from ourselves, because not everyone's like us. Not everyone has the same lived experience as us. Not everybody has the same priorities or communication styles as us. When we learn to flex, then we build some strategies to understand how to show up more inclusively in the workplace. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn, to grow, and to connect and build community as a leadership team and as all people as individuals inside organizations. We hope you'll learn more at nextpivotpoint.com.